Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today is Monday and it's the 16th of November 2020. So guys, yesterday we were talking about food chains. What are food chain? The main thing about food chain. What are food chain? Who can tell me? Guys, who can tell me? Can you hear me? Yes, Talia.
Food chain is the transfers of food, energy, and sequence, yes, of living things.
Excellent. Okay, so from where do they get their energy usually? The food chain. It will start always with what? Yes, Liana.
With a producer.
Excellent. It will start with a producer. The producer, from where the producer will take this energy? From where the producer will take this energy? Very excellent, Liana. Very good, very good. So producers make up the first link in, okay? The first link, it will be made by a producer, just like any plants. So plants, first of all, will take the energy from the sun and then from the plant to another animal and from this animal to another, to another, to another. So it's food chain is all about transferring the energy, okay? And it will always start with the sun. Plant, then you can continue, okay? Now let's take an example. Over here in the pond, first of all, you have the sun. The sun will give the energy to who? To the plant under the water, algae, for example, or let's see this one. Yes, tiny algae. And then the tiny algae is what? Is the producer. And then, yes, Ariana?
And then it eats like
Who eats the algae? What do I call it?
mosquito larva.
Yes, the mosquito larva will eat the algae. They make up the second link in the food chain. After that, let's see. Who eats them?
Minnow. Hi, Miss. Sorry, I'm late. Minnows.
You're very welcome. Hi,
Miss,
Ari.
minnows
Okay, minnows are what?
are small fish. They
So
eat
they
the
eat the
mosquito larva.
excellent mosquito larva. And these small fishes, who will eat them? A bigger fish.
Are bigger fish.
Then who will eat this bigger
It
fish?
eats minnow. And then people eat
People will eat the big fish. So this is how food chains are made. It starts from the sun and it will move from some living thing to another. Now, if I want you to give me an example of a food chain, who can do that? Yes, Leanne, let's think together.
Yes, Miss.
I want you to start. How can we make the food chain?
We could start by plant. By the sun.
Excellent. So we always start by the sun and then?
Plants.
Yes, plant.
And then
Excellent.
let's say zebra.
Who will eat this plant?
A zebra.
Okay, zebra.
After the zebra, the lion will eat the zebra.
Okay. Lion. And then? Is there anyone can take the lion down?
No,
Really?
I don't think so.
Sometimes, yes, me too. Okay, sometimes there is, but this is enough. So this is one example of a food chain. Okay, thank you very much, Leanne. Who can give me more, something more? Who can give me another, a longer food chain? I need a longer food chain. Yes, Yaleen, let's try with Lean.
Okay, so the sun
Okay, the sun.
gives energy to plants.
Excellent. Plant. Then
and a sheep may like eat it.
whoa, sheep. Yes. Okay.
And whoever can eat a sheep can be like a wild animal.
Okay, wild animal.
Let's say a lion.
Or a lion. Okay, I need a longer food chain now.
Yeah.
Made it
Yeah.
so simple. I need after a plant a smaller animal. Can you give me a smaller? Yes, insect. Exactly. Huh? Insect. Yes. Who can eat this insect?
Maybe like the
Yes, a frog. Excellent. After who can eat a frog?
I think
a sheep.
eagle.
No, eagle will eat a snake. A snake will eat a frog. Excellent, snake.
And the eagle.
And then the eagle will eat the snake.
And then the eagle will eat the snake. So we made a longer food chain. Excellent.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
I'm gonna draw my food chain.
Yes, each of you can draw her own food chain later. And then we took what you eat. You are what you eat. Do you know this this method? Yes, Leanne. You are what you eat.
What method?
This one? Yeah, there is a say that says you are what you eat. So if you eat some animal, you'll take some of the characteristics of this animal.
Yeah.
Yes, so if you are eating a camel, you would be patient. You'll take patience from this camel.
Teacher, what if I eat
but we will take the energy from the animal.
Of course, yes. This is what we care about, that you take the energy from this animal. Some animals, they just eat grass. So we call them
herbivores.
Excellent. And if they only eat other animals, we call them
carnivores, like a lion.
If they eat both.
People, we eat both. We eat
okay, what do you call them?
And
what do you call them?
Omnivores.
Excellent, Leanne. Excellent. So guys, a rabbit over here is a herbivore, eats only grass, but this raccoon can be both omnivore. It can eat animals and can eat a mice, yes, and it can eat a sweet corn. It also eat fish, but a crocodile over here only eats meat. So it only eats fishes. Also, it can eat a hippo, a large hippo. One more thing, this can eat what? Scavengers eat what?
I think they are carnivores.
No, they are scavengers.
They are scavengers.
Yes, scavengers.
Yes,
they eat dead animals.
Now let's take a look at this caterpillar. Caterpillar will eat what?
Leaf.
Okay, where is Maria?
Leaf.
Maria?
Here.
Hi. Okay, a caterpillar will eat a leaf. What about this wolf? This wolf will eat what?
A deer.
A deer. Excellent. Maria, what about this bear?
The bear would eat the fish.
Only the fish?
No, and the berries.
And the berries. Excellent. So,
Really? Berries?
yes, thank you. Thank you, Maria. Okay, Talia, can you tell me an insect, what do I call it?
Miss, what about the honey? Doesn't a bear eat honey?
Can you see honey over here?
No, but don't they eat honey?
They eat honey, but can you see honey over here?
No.
So, can't match it with honey, but it eats honey, yes. Okay, now Talia, can you tell me, what is a caterpillar? Is it herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? These
Is
are
it
consumers. These are consumers, okay?
Is
I
it
want
a herbivore?
herbivore, excellent. What about the fox? What does it eat? Only? Hi, Talia.
Carnivore.
What about the bear?
It is a omnivore because it eats both.
Very good, very good, very good. So let's go to the next page.
Miss, can I tell you something?
Yes, Layan, we are going to do sum it up today.
I
So quickly.
guess
Mhm.
I think that people can be sometimes herbivores. How? They can get vegetarians and they only eat like fruits, vegetables.
Yes, Lean was joking about that yesterday.
But this is true.
Yes.
But alhamdulillah, we are not vegetarians.
Yes, yes, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, guys, so we learned all about predators and prey. Since grade 3, we are learning about that. Okay, over here in this picture, I want you to tell me who's the predator and who's the prey. What about the zebra? The zebra is what, yeah,
Red.
Rayana? Rayana, can you hear me? What is the zebra?
The zebra is the
Prey. Okay, what about the lion?
and the lion is the predator.
Okay, very good. Very good.
To
Now
eat the
let's see
zebra.
Maria. Maria, what about this one? The eagle is what?
The eagle here, it's predator.
Excellent. And the mice?
Prey.
Very good. Leah. Leah, can you tell me what about the shark, Leah?
Yes.
The shark is what?
Hungry.
Yes, the shark is hungry. So the shark is the predator or the prey?
Predator.
Excellent. And who's the prey over here? Small?
Fish.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay,
But
guys.
Miss,
And we have something else. It's called a food web. A food web will show the relationships among different food chains. So if I told you what's the how are food chains like food web, they all have consumers and producers and it also shows the relationship between them. Okay, now let's see the food chain of the desert. I want to use arrows to show how energy moves from one living thing to another. So now, who will eat this cactus?
I think the snake.
No, it's here.
Oh, I meant this one. This thing.
Yes,
But it's too
This
spiky.
weird thing.
I can't be whatever.
a centipede. Centipede. Okay, a centipede. Who will eat this centipede?
The lobster or
lobster.
something.
The lobster.
It's
I
a
don't know.
scorpion.
It's-
This is a scorpion.
Looks
are in the
like a
desert.
lobster.
Yes, no, you are in the desert, dear. You are in the desert. So this is a scorpion.
Oh, not in the water.
Okay,
Yes.
scorpion.
Then who will eat the scorpion? Definitely
The
this
snake.
The snake.
snake.
And then
Excellent.
who will eat the snake? The wolf.
Nobody.
Yes.
The what?
The wolf can eat the
After,
snake.
Oh,
after who will eat the wolf? The lion. And we're done.
there's no lion. And who will
Okay,
eat
guys.
I am
Let's open to page
imagining.
200, please, together. Let's
Okay,
open to
miss.
page 200 together. Let's do it
the
quickly,
first
quickly.
200 page?
Okay, and guys, you are not gonna copy from here. We are only going to show.
Answer.
Yes, answer. You can copy later. Okay. Now you have from number 1 to 5. I want you to match the exact definition of the words over here. What is a scavenger? Tell me, is it A, B, C, D, or E? Find it.
What?
Yes, Talia.
Z.
Yes, excellent. Can you read D? What is a scavenger?
Eats dead animals and plants.
Excellent. It's D. Very good. Very good.
I know this one.
Okay. Yes, Yaleen. What's a herbivore?
C. Eats only plants.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Bushra, what's a
Miss, I know.
carnivore?
Carnivore?
Yes. What's a carnivore? Is it
Only
A, B,
eats cod.
C, D?
Yeah. C.
Are you sure? Carnivores.
No. Let me see. I just can't see properly.
From your
Eats
book?
both plants and E.
E.
Okay, Liana, can you tell me what's a carnivore?
Carnivore is.
Oh, it's B, isn't it?
Yes, it's B. What is B? Read
Miss-
it, please. Read
miss.
the whole sentence.
Eats other animals.
Yes, what's an omnivore, Leanne?
I wanted to answer the food web. Or I'm just gonna answer. An omnivore eats on plants and both eat plants and animals.
Excellent. So it's E. Yes. So what's a food web? Yes, Eileen?
Model that shows all the feeding. Guys. Model that shows all the feeding relationships in an ecosystem.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay, guys, let's go down. Let's see what do we have here. Now you have food chains show how energy moves from one living thing to another. The first link in a food chain is always a Maria.
Always. Yes.
What is it?
What did you say?
Is it a consumer, producer, or a decomposer? A first link. Leanne, you are making a noise, my dear. Yes, yeah, Maria. Maria?
Teacher.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, but I don't think she can hear
Yeah.
So number
Yes.
6 is what, girls? The first link in a food chain is always a
A producer.
excellent, a producer. Number 7, herbivores are consumers that
Herbivores are consumers.
what do they eat? Herbivores.
That eats only
Plants.
Excellent.
Plants.
Maria, are you facing problem? Maria, can you hear me?
Let me fix.
Maria, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear. Yes, I can hear you. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's do number 8. Omnivores are consumers that eat what, ya Maria? Number 8. Omnivores, what do they eat?
Or they eat plants and animals.
Excellent. And carnivores, ya Layan, they eat what? They are consumers too.
Carnivores eat I know it's better. Yes. They eat only animals.
Excellent. What about scavengers, ya Lean? Scavengers are consumers too. What they eat?
Eat dead animals and plants.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So always the food chain starts with a producer, okay? And we know all about that. Very good. Now let's do the word play. The transfer of energy from one living to another. What do I call it?
Teacher, you didn't write.
I know you're not gonna type from here. You will write later. You will copy later. Come on, guys. The transfer of energy from one living thing to another. What do I call it?
Food chain.
Excellent. Food chain.
Food
A
chain.
consumer that eats both plants and animal. Who eats
Omnivore.
both? Omnivore. Consumer that eats other animal.
Consumer
Carnivore.
Carnivore. Excellent. Animal that is hunted. Hi, Aliyah.
Prey.
Yes, prey. Consumer that eats only plants. I am Rihanna. Only plants. Who eats only plants? Omnivore? Carnivore? Herbivore?
Wait. Only
Only
plants?
plants. Excellent. Herbivore. Very good.
Yes, can I answer one?
Okay, yes, yeah, Layan. Shows the
Okay.
relationship among all food chains in an ecosystem.
Food web.
Excellent. What's an animal that hunts? The animal that hunts, Italia. The animal that will hunt.
Oh, that's Miss what? Miss, you're very lucky. Oh, I can see your mouth. The animal that hunts.
Yes.
It's not a prey. The prey is the one that's getting hunted.
So it is a?
Miss.
Yes, Italia. What is
I
it?
hear you.
Yes,
You know
Eileen.
it.
Yes, Eileen.
It's a predator.
Excellent. Consumer that breaks down the remain of plants and animal. Yes, yeah. Yes, Eileen.
A consumer that breaks down plants. Salvage.
No. Consumer that breaks down the remain of plants and animal.
Sorry,
The producer.
No, consumer.
From before, not this lesson. It's a
decomposer.
Excellent. It's a decomposer. Very good, girls. Now, the food chain below, scrambled order, put the links food in the correct. Okay, I want you to write them in the correct order. We will start always with what? With a producer.
Plant.
What's the producer? Okay, what is the
Plant.
plant over here? Grass. Grass is number one.
Grass.
Excellent.
Rabbit.
Grass. Yes. Excellent.
Rabbit.
The grass, rabbit.
Then wolf.
Excellent.
Wolf.
Very good. Now fill in the graphic organizer about different kinds of consumers. Okay? Consumers. Now, kinds of consumers, we said we have herbivores. Okay? And herbivores.
Carnivores.
Excellent. Carnivores who eats only animals. And then?
And carnivores.
Omnivores can eat what?
Omnivores.
Can eat what?
Can eat, omnivores eat plants and animals.
Okay, what's a scavenger? Who eats dead plants and animals?
Dead.
Okay, very good.
It
Now this
is-
picture, it will
It's
show
like
you.
decomposer, right?
Excellent,
Scavenger.
Leanne, very good. Okay, this, I want you to label these animals. Who's the prey and who's the predator? Talia,
I want to do.
Talia.
Predator is the lion, the prey is the zebra.
Excellent, excellent, very good, very good. Now this picture shows different animals in the pond food web. Use arrows to show who eats what. Remember that arrows should point from the living thing that is being eaten to the living thing that is eating. Now, first of all, we will always start with the plant. Who will eat the plant first of all?
The insect.
Excellent. Let's draw a arrow. So first of all, insect will eat the plant, and then who will eat this insect?
Frog. The frog.
Frog. Then the frog will eat what?
Frog will eat the insect.
No, wait. The seagull will eat the frog.
No,
No.
no.
The frog will be eaten by the snake, and the snake will be eaten
Where's
by
the
the
snake?
eagle.
Excellent, excellent. The snake. Excellent. Then
Oh, that is, and then the eagle will eat the snake. And then
okay, can the frog eat
seagull-
fish?
No, sometimes.
Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. The plant will be eaten by this caterpillar. This caterpillar will be eaten by
The caterpillar will be eaten by the
eagle.
frog or an eagle.
this is not an eagle. I think it's a swan.
Seagull.
And this swan
I
can
think
eat.
And I don't know.
Fish.
Also,
It
it can
can
eat
eat
a
fish.
fish. Excellent. It also can eat this fly.
But Miss, who will be like the predator? Will the snake be the predator or the swan?
Okay. The swan is the predator because it will eat all of them. It can eat all of them. But
Even
when
the snake?
No, but when the snake comes, it will be the prey. So the predator over here, the strongest predator over here is the snake. Okay?
So it took his place.
Okay,
It took his place.
Yes.
It was supposed to be the swan place, but he said, move on. That's my place for acting.
Yes, okay. This picture shows different kinds of consumers. I want you to label each consumer as a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, or scavenger. Now, let's start with the raccoon. A raccoon can eat what? Yes, yeah, Maria.
Raccoon can eat
Only animals, only plants, or both?
This I know.
berries.
Only berries?
No, a lot of stuff.
So is it carnivore, herbivore, scavenger, omnivore?
It is a
Okay, what about a lion, yeah, Maria? What about a lion?
it's a carnivore.
Excellent, a carnivore. Hi, Aline. What about the raccoon, Aline?
A scavenger?
No?
No. Miss, I know it. I know it perfect.
Maybe it's
Natalia.
herbivore.
No?
My hand hurts.
Okay, Leanne.
It's a omnivore. It's
It's
it is an
omnivore.
omnivore.
Excellent,
Like
it's
us
omnivore.
humans.
What about this
I
one?
wanted to tell you that.
This one is a herbivore and the scavenger is the worm over here. Okay, guys?
A worm is the scavenger.
Okay,
Yes.
guys, I'm really sorry that time is up and you need to leave. The lesson is finished and I'm going to send you the answer key to your emails. So wait for them
Okay.
so later you can copy from the email. Okay, guys, we'll see you tomorrow in a new lesson. Thank you for participating, for showing here, and well,
No, Miss, thank you for me for the best class.
thank you, dear. Wow, I love it. Kinds of animals. Very nice, very nice. Very good. I love it, Maria. Very good. Okay,
Miss, can
guys.
I show you it tomorrow?
Yes, of
This
course, tomorrow, because now you
footage?
have another class to attend. So please do not be late to your second
Okay.
period. Bye-bye.
Bye.